What's up guys, welcome back to the workshop, welcome back to a new video. On my Instagram channel I posted a picture about my forge, about the bottom blade of my forge, because the bottom blade got a big hole. And it was in case of the flux of borax and a lot of heat. So I got a few questions, is it possible to make Damascus steel without borax? And I want to try today this question, is it possible to make Damascus steel without borax? Before we start forging, let's answer the question, what is borax or what is a flux? Often a flux is used to keep the welding surfaces from oxidizing, which would produce a poor quality weld, and to extract other impurities from the metal. And mostly we are using borax, and borax looks like sugar or like salt. So we got here 6 layers of 2 different types of steel, and you see I grind the surface really clean to get a good forge weld. Now we weld them together and put it into the forge. I lost them. Perfect! So unfortunately my camera did not record the sound, so I have to make a short voiceover for this, but this is no problem. So I was very happy with the result because you can't see any delaminations or cracks in the steel, and I never expected that there are no cracks. Let's go to the grinder and grind the surface clean, and then we're gonna make a test edge. Maybe we see more. I give them now a dirty grind and I see no cracks or delaminations, and I don't want to make a knife from it. It was just a test. And let's get it into the acid. Maybe we see more. It looks like Sanmai because it's only 6 layers. It's not Sanmai, it's a 6 layers Damascus steel. And we got no cracks, no delaminations. So forge welding without flux, without borax, it is possible. Nice. So I'm really happy with the result, because I know I can forge weld Damascus steel without borax, without flux. But I will still use borax. I think it's better, really better for the Damascus. I know it's really ugly, but it works. I'm happy with the result. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. And see you in the next video. Cheers!